What's up? This is Mr. AKERT with a new bike check. I got new parts, so yeah. Alright, here we go. Got a backroom vice, back hub, 8-ball. That specialized tires is like 80 psi. Primo sprocket, vice cranks, Shadow Conspiracy chain, half-link chain, mirror coverings frame, black label seat, combo, Miami high-rise bars, green, gangrene, Odyssey Griswold grips. They feel really nice. Like they don't get sweaty. Odyssey Barnes vice front hub, vice front rim, gyro cable with Tektro gyro, but with the Tektro brake lever. I'm getting another one. Already ordered it with out the little shaving piece. Vice gangrene pedals. Hollow axle. You can see that. Yeah. Yeah. That's my bike. So yeah. Make sure to rate and like and subscribe. Alright. See you later.